Good afternoon, Richard.
Good afternoon, Rick.
So we were talking about the forklift safety system before. What's been going on since the beginning of the year?
Yeah, I think that we've been adding a lot of different functionality to the system. I think one of the beauties of having an AI system with flexibility and scalability built in is that you can continue to add features and functions to meet different requirements in the market and resolve the kind of issues that your customers are asking for. So the first thing we introduced this year was a speed and reverse light sensor kit, which makes it easier for operators to operate in busy and noisy environments, and obviously to control the speed of the vehicle and make sure it doesn't go too fast. Second thing, most recently, is we launched the 36 to 100 volt DC to DC converter. And what this does, it facilitates the integration of the system together with EV Forklifts.
Oh, right, because there's new EV Forklifts on the market,
Yes.
and now it can actually support these units as well.
Before it could, but it was a very complicated process to do it because there's no sort of standardized design for an EV forklift.
Right.
What this does, it makes it much easier for any type of forklift that's out there. What we're seeing is that adoption of EV forklifts is increasing very, very fast in all key markets.
As the price of gas is skyrocketing, then EV adoption is also increasing.
But also a lot of customers are not fully replacing their existing fleet, they're adding EVs to their existing combustion power devices. So what this means is if you adopt the forklift safety system, you can run it on both older combustion powered forklifts and the newer EVs, so it enables you to install the device across your entire fleet.
Right, so one system can serve both types of units.
Exactly. I'd like to talk a little bit about the 3PD package that we also introduced. When we launched the system, we had a 2-camera pedestrian detection setup for rear and the front of the vehicle, plus a DSS camera for driver safety, which goes into the cabin. Now we're continuing to promote that and enhance it. At the same time, we've also introduced a 3PD configuration. So 3PD has 3 cameras again, but no driver safety system camera. What it has is left, right, and rear side. Because a lot of customers are saying that's the particular configuration they want.
Right.
So we introduced that about a month ago at Logimat. In addition to that, then there's sort of various different packages available. You can buy the system itself with cameras. You can also add a screen. And then you can also add some of the accessories that I've just mentioned, like the speed and reverse light sensor kit. So what we're trying to do is to expand the number of options that is available to the customer to meet specific deployment requirements.